guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is Tarvidillo and today we'll be doing this colored smoky eyes with glitters. This eye makeup is perfect for parties and it's really simple to create. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm putting some loose powder under my eyes so that it doesn't spoil my base makeup. Usually I do my eye makeup first, especially when I have to put glitters, but today I forgot doing it. So I'm taking good amount of powder just under my eyes so that I can remove any fallout. So let's get started with the eye makeup. I'm contouring my eyes using Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'm taking the shade Sandalwood. I'm doing this with a fluffy blending brush. Next I'm taking this bright yellow color from Morphe 25L palette with a smaller blending brush and I'm blending this color over the light brown color that I took first. It's giving an orange hint and is looking really good and real. Sorry for the harsh lighting. I really want this yellow color to be very intensified in my crease line. Next I will take this hot pink color from the same palette and I will make this semicircle from flat fluffy brush. I'm applying multiple colors of my choice. You can add different colors according to your outfit. I will blend the edges of this pink color with yellow color so that it looks well blended. Blend it nicely so that you don't see any harsh lines. Next I'm taking this purple color from Beauty Glazed palette with a flat brush. But somehow I felt that it's not that bright, so I'm using Nika purple pencil. I will cover my whole lid using this color. Now I'm blending the edges of the purple color with purple eyeshadow. And I'm blending it nicely so that there are no harsh edges. Next I'm taking the same hot pink color and intensifying the color in my crease. Also I'm intensifying the purple color. It will make my shadow long lasting and also brighten up the color. Next I will take green pencil and I'm lining my lash line a little bit and then smudging the color. After this I'm putting some glitter glue right in the center of my eye. Next I will apply this green loose glitter and I'm putting it just where I applied the glue. Also I'm blending the sides of the glitter. And just removing any fallout. After this I am applying this liner on my lash line. This is not an essential step, but if you're wearing false lashes, then I think it's better to put a thin eyeliner so that the band doesn't show. Next I'm doing something which I don't usually do. I love doing black gel liner in my waterline, but I'm using blue pencil in my waterline today. And then I will soften the edges with pink color using the smudging brush. and I will smoke out everything using the yellow color in the end. Also, I'm defining my brow bone with this highlighter. And using the powder highlighter to further intensify it. For the lips, I'm using this liquid lipstick. Lastly, I am applying 2 coats of mascara. And this is the final look. I hope you like this look, and if you create this look, then don't forget to tag me. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.